Article 13 of the Revised Penal Code, mitigating circumstances. The following are mitigating circumstances. Those mentioned in the preceding chapters, when all the requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases are not attended. Number 2, that the offender is under 18 years of age or over 17 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceed against in accordance with the provision of Article 80. Number 3, that the offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. Number 4, that sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. Number 5, that the act was committed in the immediate indication of a grave offense to the one committing grave offense to the one committing the felony. His spouse, ascendants, or relative by affinity within the same degree. Number 6, that of having act upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passion of obfuscation. Number 7, that the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority or his agent, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. Number 8, that the offender is deaf, dumb, and blind, or otherwise suffering some physical defect which thus restricts his means of action, or communication with his fellow being. Number 9, such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of his willpower of the will of his willpower of the offender, without however depriving him on of the depriving him of the depriving him of the consciousness depriving him of the consciousness of his act. Number 10. And finally, any other circumstances of a similar or any other circumstances of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned.